Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am Today discover our XU collection of blouses where elegance meets contemporary style. Each blouse thoughtfully designed to complement every wardrobe, offering versatility options for casual, formal, and festive occasions. Crafted from premium fabric, these blouses ensure a perfect comfort, durability, and style. Design range from casual, classic cuts to modern silhouette, featuring intricate embroidery, delicate lace, subtle prints, and vibrant patterns that capture attention effortlessly. The blouses are available in a variety of necklines, sleeve styles, and fits to suit diverse body types and personal preference, whether layered under sarees, paired with skirts, and matched with pants. These blouses elevate your overall look. Attention to detail. These blouses elevate is finished with precision stitching, high quality buttons, and thoughtful embellishment, ensuring a luxurious and refined appearance, perfect for daily wear, special events, or gifting. Our blouses celebrate individuality and timeless fashion. Explore our collection and find the perfect blouse that reflects your unique style and grace. Blouses collection elegance, style, and versatility. Our blouse collection is a perfect blend of traditional charm and modern elegance. Designed to charm and modern elegance, designed to cater to every woman's style and occasion, crafted with precision, attention to detail. These blouses are more than just a garment; they are a statement of grace, sophistication, individuality, fabric, and comfort. Each blouse is made from high quality fabric like cotton, silk, chiffon, georgette, satin, and linen, ensuring comfort, breathability, and durability. Soft cotton blouse are ideal casual day wear with silk and satin, add a touch of luxurious and festive and formal Korean lightweight fabric like chiffon and Java drape beautifully, creating an effortless yet elegant silhouette. Design and style of our collection features a wide range of designs to suit diverse tastes, from traditional embroidery blouse, mirror work, and zari detailing to contemporary prints. Sequence and beadwork. Every piece is thoroughly crafted. Popular necklines include both V-neck, high neck, square neck, and sweetheart neck, while sleeves range from cap sleeves, full sleeve, puff sleeve, three-quarter sleeve to sleeveless. Design cropped blouses, peplum design, and blouse backless blouse offer trendy option to modern wardrobe. Colors and patterns blouses are available in an extensive petals from classic whites, blacks, and neutral vibrant red, blues, pinks, and pastels. Floral prints, geometric patterns, abstract motifs, polka dots, and thick prints ensure a blouse for every mood and occasion. Occasion pairing perfect for casual outings, office wear, festive celebration, weddings, parties, traditional ceremonies. Our blouses are versatile enough to pair with sarees, skirts, lehengas, plazos, trousers, layer with jacket or vest for a modern twist, or match with embroidered sarees for a timeless ethnic look. With fit and customization available in various sizes and fits. Our blouses are designed to flatter all body types, adjustable ties, stretchable fabric, and tailored cut ensure a comfortable and stylish fit. Some designs even allow for custom tailoring, so every blouse feels like it was made just for you. Attention to detail. Every blouse is meticulously finished with precision stitching, durable buttons, hidden zippers, and fine embellishment. Decorative borders, lace trims, ruffles, and pleats add charm and uniqueness, while refinedness seams ensure long-lasting quality. Styling tip: pair bright colored blouses with contrasting sarees for a striking look, or go for monochrome shades for minimalistic elegance. Statement jewelry, scarves, or belts can enhance the style, making each blouse suitable for multiple fashion statements. Explore our blouses collection to find the perfect combination of comfort, style, and sophistication, whether it's a casual day, wedding celebration, or festive gathering. These blouses are designed to complement your personality, enhance your wardrobe, and leave lasting impression. Blouses collection more than just a top, a statement of style and elegance. Our blouses collection more than just a wardrobe stepper. It is a celebration of fashion, culture, and professional expression. And each blouse is crafted with attention to detail, ensuring not for only for comfort but also timeless elegance from everyday wear to festive occasion. Our blouses define versatility, offering sometime unique for every woman, every season, and every mood. Fabric more than comfort, a touch of luxury. We use a wide variety of premium fabric, each carefully chosen for its textures, drapes, and feel. Soft cotton blouses are perfect for casual and office wear, offering breathability and ease. Luxurious silk, satin, and velvets bring sophistication and elegant, ideal for wedding parties and celebration. Lightweight chiffon, georgette provide effortlessly drape and flow, while linen blend in show durability and polished look. Every fabric is more than just a material; it is an experience of softness, quality, and style. Designs more than patterns, a work of art. Blouses features designs that go by one simple stitching, intricate embroidery, mirror work, zari detailing, beadwork, sequins, lace, ruffles, and pleats. Create blouses that are both modern, traditional, from classic cuts to contemporary silhouette. Our collection include boat necks, V-neck sweaters, and necklines, high collar, off-shoulder design, and backless blouses. Sleeves variation range from full sleeve, three-quarter sleeve, puff sleeve, bell sleeve to sleeveless and cap sleeve. Each design is more than decoration, is a statement of elegance, personality, color, and patterns. More than shades, a pattern emotions. Explore an array of colors that evoke different moods and occasions, from timeless blacks, whites, neutrals to vibrant red, blues, pinks, pastel and meticulous. Our blouses caters to all taste. Patterns include floral abstracts, prints, geometric motifs, ethnic designs, polka dots, stripes, and traditional prints. Each color and pattern is more than visual appeal; it is a reflection of style, confidence, and visuality. Our blouses are suitable for multi Tude of occasion, casual outings, office meetings, festive celebration, wedding, cocktail parties, casual culture events, and traditional ceremonies. All can be elevated with the right blouse, paired delicate embroidered blouse with the sarees for an ethnic celebration, for chic crop blouses with a plazo for modern look, layer with jacket, waist, scarves, added flair. Every blouse is more than just a garment, it is an essential companion for every memorable moment. Fit and customization more than size, a perfect silhouette. We understand that every moment is unique, so our blouse come in diverse sizes and fit stretchable fabric and adjustable ties, hidden zipper, tailored cut, and peplum style. In short, flattering fit for all body types. Some design offer customer tailoring, and so you can have one blouse that fits like it was must have for you. More than fashion, it's confident comfort combined style. More than matching a creative inspiration, blouses are more than something you wear. They are an opportunity to showcase your creativity. Pair vibrant blouses with contrasting sarees, experiment with monochromatic tones for minimal elegance, for accessorize with jewelry, belts, or scarves. Mix and match textures, patterns, fabric to create endless possibilities. A blouse more than a top, it is the canvas for your personal style, care, and durability. More than maintenance, a long-lasting investment. Each blouse is made with the care and durability in mind. High quality stitching, refined for seams, quality buttons, and resist lines. Fabric ensure long-lasting wear. Proper care, gentle washing, careful handling of embellishments, and safe storage, preservation, and beauty textures of each blouse. More than clothing, it's an investment in timeless elegance. Trends more than fashion, a forward-thinking wardrobe. Stay ahead of trends with these blouses that combine classic charm with contemporary flair, seasonal colors, innovation, sleeves design, asymmetrical cut, crop tops, peplum, and modern embellishment. Make over blouses collection more than trendy, it's feature ready. Each piece blends tradition with modernity, making your wardrobe drafting styles and versatility. Why choose over blouses more than stylish statement? Over blouses are more than clothing, they are reflections of identity, creativity, and the grace. Every piece is designed to complement your lifestyles, opinions, and personal taste. From intricate craftsmanship to premium fabric, from versatile design to comfort focused fit, our collection is more than fashion. It is a celebration of individuality, elegance, and timeless style. Explore our collection of today and discover blouses that are more than fabric, thread. They are more than trends and patterns. They are an essence of styles, confident beauty. Blouses more than fashion, more than elegance, more than style. Our blouses collection more than just a garment. It is an experience, a statement of reflections of personality. Every blouse in this collection has been crafted with meticulous care, innovation, design, attention to detail, ensuring it is not only stylish but also comfortable, versatile, and timeless. Whether you are dressing for everyday wear, a festival, or a wedding, or high profile event, our blouses are designed to enhance your presence and elevate your style. Fabric more than material, more than comfort. We use a wide range of fabric to provide options for every season, occasion, and mood. Cotton, soft, breathable, perfect for casual and office wear. Silk, luxurious, smooth and elegant for wedding and parties. Satin, sleek, sleek and shiny for evening wear or festive occasions. Chiffon and georgette, lightweight, flowy and graceful for feminine touch. Velvet, rich textures and warmth. Ideal for winter celebration. Linen blend, suitable, breathable and structured for contemporary casual look. Each fabric is more than just its feel; it defines the overall look. The drape elegance and the confidence with which you carry it. Design modern stitching, modern patterns or blouses are designed to suit all tastes and occasions. Some key design elements include embroidery, zari work, thread, mirror work, sequence beads, and floral embroidery that are sophisticated. Lace and ruffle, feminine and delicate details that create a soft, elegant silhouette. Pleat and panels, modern touches, enhances structure and style. Cutwork and applique, artistic design that stand out in festive and ceremonial wear. Minimal and printed, contemporary prints, geometric patterns, polka dots, abstract art for a casual or chic appearance. Each blouse more than a top. It is a piece of art handcrafted to reflect the elegance and modernity. Sleeves more than coverage, more than shape. Blouses sleeves are key to style expression. And our collection offers full sleeve, three-quarter sleeve, bell sleeve, puff sleeves, cape sleeves, sleeveless, off-shoulder and shoulder designs. Each sleeve is style more than decorations. It defines the overall vibe, whether sophisticated, casual, festive, modern. Necklines more than opening, modern style. Boat neck, V-neck, round neck, sweater neck, high collars, off-shoulder, square neck. Necklines not only highlight elegance but also accumulate the various feature, making each blouse more than a garment. It is a statement of confidence. Color patterns more than shades, more than visual appeal. View for and extensive petals of classic neutral black, white, cream being bold and festive, red, maroon, royal blue, emerald green, pastel, and soft tones, peach, mint, baby blue, lilac, metallic, and shimmery, finishing gold, silver, bronze. Pattern include floral polka dots, stripes, geometric prints, ethnic motifs, and abstract designs. Each colors and pattern is more than aesthetic; it conveys more personality and style. Occasion more than events more than wear. Our blouses are suitable for casual day wear, office professional settings, weddings, receptions, parties, and evening events, religious and cultural ceremonies, festivals like Diwali, Eid, Christmas, or Navratri. Every blouse is more than attire, it is a companion of memory, celebration, social expression, fit and customization, more than sizes, more than shape. Blouses offer irregular fit, slim fit, stretchable fit, or fabric or flexible comfort, adjustable ties and buttons for perfect fitting, custom tailoring options for a made for you experience. More than just fitting the body, a well tailored blouse enhances confidence posture, making every look flawless. Styling and pairing more than matching, more than fashion. Pair with sarees, lehengas, plazos, skirts, or trousers. Layered with jackets, shirts, or caps for a modern elegance. Accessories with belts, scarves, jewelry to elevate style. Mix print, textures, and fabric for a captivated expression. Each blouse is more than clothing; it is a platform to express creativity and individuality. Seasonal trend more than fashion, more than trends. Spring, summer, lightweight fabric, pastel shades, floral print, shorts, sleeves, or autumn or winter. Velvet satins, full sleeve, rich dark colors, sequins, festive seasons. Zari embroidery metallic finishes bring hues. Our collections stay modern, trendy, blending traditional elegance with contemporary flair. Care and durability more than maintenance, more than longevity. Gentle hand wash or delicate machine wash. Avoid harsh detergents for embroidered or embellished blouses. Dry flats or hand in shade or maintain. Color fabric with padded hangers or delicate fabric. Proper care ensure that each blouse remains more than wardrobe variable. It stays a long-term fashion investment. While choose our blouse is more than choice, more than style, premium fabric more than comfort, trendy and traditional designs more than fashion, versatile fits for all body types more than sizing, perfect for every occasion more than events, long lasting quality more than durability, opportunities for customization more than tailoring. Each blouse more than a wardrobe addition. It is a symbol of grace, sophistication and self-expression. Blouses more than fashion, more than elegance, more than style, and more than expression. A blouse more than a piece of clothing. It is a reflection of individuality, culture, personality, and style. Our collection is designed to more than versatile more than seasonal, more than trendy, and more than traditional. Each blouse is a combination of premium fabric, intricate design, flattering fits, and timeless elegance that transcends ordinary fashion. Fabric more than texture, more than comfort, more than luxury. The choice of fabric defines the blouse experience. Our blouse is more than 10 premium material cotton, soft, breathable, ideal for casual and office wear, silk, smooth, lustrous, and luxurious for wedding receptions and wedding. Festive Korean satin, sleek and glossy, perfect for evening wear parties, chiffon and georgette, lightweight, flowy and feminine for graceful draping, velvet, rich textures, perfect for winter and festive wear. Linen brand structure, durable, breathable and modern casual outfits, organza, sheer elegance for party blouses and oval days, crepe matte finish, soft drape, ideal for formal wear, jersey knit, stretchable, comfort for daily wear and fusion outfit, brocade and jacquard, traditional elegance with detailed motifs and patterns. Each fabric is more than a material; it creates a feel, drape, and look that elevate the entire outfit. Design more than patterns, more than stitching, more than decorations. Our blouses are designed with more than creativity, embroidery, zari, thread, mirrorwork, beads, and sequins, cutwork, applique, artistic patterns that stand out, lace and ruffle, feminine touches that add softness, pleat and panels, modern silhouette and structure, minimal and printed, abstract print, geometric designs, floral ethnic motifs, polka dots. These designs more than aesthetic details; they create personality, elegance, and timeless appeal. Necklines more than opening. Boat neck, V neck, round neck, sweater neck, high collar, square neck, off shoulder, and cold shoulders. Design keyhole and cutout styles. Necklines are more than design choices, they frame the face, enhance elegance, and define the outfit vibe. Sleeves more than coverage. More than flare, full sleeve, three-quarter sleeve, bell sleeve, puff sleeves, cape sleeves, sleeveless, off shoulder, and cold shoulder, layered of flared sleeves. Each sleeve style more than decoration. It conveys sophistication, cultural richness, and trend awareness. Colors and pattern more than shade, more than visual appeal. We offer more than 100 shades of patterns: classic, neutral, black, white, cream, being bold and festive, red, maroon, royal blue, and bright green. Pastel and softness tone, peach, mint, baby blue, and lilac. Metallic and shimmer, gold, silver, bronze. Patterns, floral, geometric, polka dots, stripes, abstract, ethnic prints. Each color and pattern is more than a visual choice, is more personality and cultural expression. Fits and size more than numbers of more than comfort. Regular frame fit slim and fit slim fit tailored stretchable adjustable ties, buttons, hidden zip, peplum pop, backless logline, custom tailoring available. Blouses are more than measurement, they are about confident posture and perfect styling for all body types. Occasion more than event, more than dressing up. Our blouses are perfect for casual wear, office and professional setting, wedding reception, engagements, cultural event, festive like Diwali, Eid, Christmas, Matri tradition, ceremonies, religious functions. A blouse is more than just clothing, it is an expression, a complex of memories, celebration, and personal expression. Styling and pairing more than fashion, more than matching, pair with sarees, lehengas, skirts, trousers, layer with jackets, shrug, capes, or waist, accessories with belts, scarves, jewelry, or handbags, mixed fabric, texture, prints, and patterns. Every blouse more than outfit, it is a canvas for creativity and personality. Seasonal trends more than fashion, more than trendy. Spring and summer, pastel florals, light fabrics, short sleeves, autumn, yeah, winter. Velvet satin, long sleeve, deep colors, sequins, festive seasons, embroidery metallic threads, vibrant hues, intricate embellishments. Our collection stays modern, stylish, blending traditional and modern fashion. Care and durability more than maintenance, more than longevity, gentle hand wash or delicate machine wash. Avoid harsh detergent for embroidery embellishment, hand in shade for dry flat store. Carefully to preserve fabric color and stitching with proper care. A blouse becomes more than clothing, it is a lasting fashion investment. Cultural significance more than clothing, more than tradition. Blouses have been an essential part of cultural attire across India, Pakistan, and South Asia for countries for centuries. From traditional sari to lehenga, the blouse represent heritage, artistry, and elegance. Our design honor these traditional while more than modernizing them for contemporary fashion. Accessory and layering more than once, more than statement. Scarf, dupattas, belts, necklace, earrings, Bangles layered with jacket, capes, shrugs, coats, pair with modern print, pants, skirts, fusion wear. Accessories make a blouse more than a top. They complete the look and elevate style. Premium fabric more than comfort, trendy yet traditional design more than fashion, flattering fit more than sizing, suitable for occasion more than wear, long lasting quality more than durability, customization option more than tailoring, complete wardrobe solution more than variety. Each blouse is more than a wardrobe addition, it is a statement and expression and experience. Blouse is more than fabric, more than fashion, more than style, more than expression. Blouses are more than just a top of garment, they are statement, visuality, and reflection of culture, personality, and elegance, and a tool for self expression that transcends seasons, trends, and occasions. Our blouse collection designed to be more than versatile, than more than trendy, more than traditional, more than functional, and more than luxury. It is a point and modern yet timeless fashion. Fabric more than material, more than comfort, more than luxury. The fabric of the blouse more than the surface you touch. It is experience of wearing it. We use over dozen premium fabric, each carefully selected for texture, drape, durability, and visual appeal. Cotton, soft, breathable, everyday comfort. Satin, smooth, glossy, perfect for evening glamour. Chiffon and Georgette, lightweight, airy, and feminine, flowy elegance. Velvet, rich, plush, ideal for winter or festive events. Organza, sheer, delicate, ethereal layering. Crepe, matte, soft drapes, formal and office wear. Jersey net, stretchable, comfort for occasion and daily wear. Black and jacquard, traditional ornate and daily wear. Traditional ornate, celebrity, tweed, and cotton silk blends modern textures with ethnic touches. Each fabric is more than clothing material, it is defines fit, flow, texture, and mood making. Each blouse a sensory and stylish experience. Design more than pattern, more than stitching, more than art. Our blouses are more than stitched pieces, they are creations and craftsmanship and artistry, embroidery, zari, threadwork, mirrorwork, sequence beads, cutwork, and ethnic wear pattern that catch the eye and create dimension. Lace and ruffle feminine softness. Thank you for watching my video. Love this.